Alright you guys, today we'll take a look how to randomize blended colors here in Illustrator. Step 1, we're going to need to draw something with stroke. So let's go to the color, click on the fill, click on the none, click on the stroke so it's going to be on the top. I'm going to go and select the pencil tool and I'm going to double click on it, make sure that it's on smooth. And by the way, these are my settings, click OK. And I'm going to draw something. I'm going to go with this letter G. Now I also can smoothen this out. Let's go to the object, let's go to path and select smooth. And with this handle, if you increase it, you can see it is going to make it more rounded and it's going to perfect it. So I'm going to go with like 70. And now we're going to need to create that blend effect. So I'm going to go and select the ellipse tool right here. And I'm also going to click on the fill and I'm going to go to the swatches. Let's go and select the color. You also can go and double click on the color here and recolor it a little bit and click OK. Press and hold Shift, create a circle. And I'm going to go and double click on the fill to recolor it a little bit. There it is, click OK. I'm going to scale it down, press and hold Alt, drag it to the right, select another color. I'm going to repeat this step a couple of times. I'm going to go with like 3 or 4 colors. This is going to be the yellow, click OK, duplicate, and there it is. I'm also going to align it and click on horizontal distribute center. Now let's go and select all of it. Go to object, blend, and select make. So right now it's going to look something like this. Now what we're going to do is select both elements. Let's go to the object, blend, and select replace spine. If you want to make the blend more rare, all you need to do is double click on the blend tool here. It's going to open up the options. Let's go and select specified steps. And here you can increase or decrease the number of the copies. So I'm going to go and decrease a little bit more to 85, for example. Click OK. And let's go to the object, expand, and click OK. Now, but at least what we're going to need to do is go here and select the recolor artwork. Let's open it up and let's go to the settings. And here we got this button, change color order randomly. Click on it and take a look at that. It is going to mix up the colors and it's going to make an even better composition. And pretty much that's how you randomize blend here in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.